Iba ang lakas ng loob pag may pera sa bulsa. Ecclesiastes 7:12, money is a shelter. Totoo yun. Huwag kayong magbanal-banala na parang walang kwenta ang pera. Sabi sa Bible, Ecclesiastes 10:19, money is the answer for everything. Siyempre, figure of speech yun. Pero ibig sabihin lang nun, money is a solution to many, many things in life. Kaya dapat ang tao, habang kaya, malakas, kumita, mag-save, mag-invest, get a pension plan, get an insurance with a reputable company, kasi kakailanganin mo yan. Hindi ka laging pwede magyabang na, kaya ko. Hindi tayo sure. Iba na yung merong itinabi. Tulad ng babae sa Proverbs 31:25, dahil siya masipag, marunong mag-invest, marunong magtrabaho, sabi, she who has money is strong and graceful, as well as cheerful about the future. Sabi na ibang version, she is clothed with strength and dignity. She can laugh at the days to come. Why can a person laugh at the days to come? Pag may pera siya. Pag magpapa-hospital siya, hindi siya nag-aalala. Pagtatawanan lang niya yung ospital.